Is your Windows 10 PC hardware is not supporting Windows 11? Is your unsupported hardware is not allowing Windows 11 to get upgraded on your Windows 10? Then friends, here is a tool that will help you to bypass checks while upgrading to Windows 11, allowing PC with unsupported hardware to upgrade to Windows 11 easily. Now I will show you how you can do that. You will be using a simple patch to make this possible. The patch name is known as Fly by 11. Fly by 11 is a simple patcher that removes the annoying restrictions preventing you from installing Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. So without wasting time, let's start. First, you have to go to the GitHub page from where you can download the Fly by 11. Now for that, first open your browser and then go to this link, GitHub link. I'll share the link in the description. You can copy it from there. And now once you are inside this page, just move down and then click on flybyscript.zip. Just download it. Now once downloaded, open the folder. Now you have to extract the file. Extract all. Next, you have to open this folder. Now what you have to do is you have to run the Fly by 11 exe. If your Windows Defender is enabled, it will detect as an unrecognized app, so you can click on run anyway. Now the next step is to get the Windows 11 ISO. Now here you can see that the Fly by 11 provides a few options for you to get going. The ideal option is an in-place upgrade. On this Fly by 11 window, you have to select the method 1. You can see it here. Just select the method 1. A method 1 in-place upgrade via server setup. You will need the Windows 11 ISO for this, but if you don't have it yet, no need to worry. Fly by 11 will take care of that too. Now what you have to do is to click on Start. In this window, click Continue to select the version, release, edition, language and architecture. So I am selecting Windows 11, then click on Continue. Now this is the latest release, that is 24H2. Now click on Continue. Now select the edition, that is Home Edition, then click on Continue. Now you have to select the language, that is English. Now click on Continue again. Now you can select the architecture. My system is 64-bit, so I'm selecting 64, then click on Download. Now you can see that the ISO is getting downloaded. Just wait till the download is complete. Now once the download is completed, just go back to the Fly by 11 and now click on OK. Now you have to select the ISO file to mount it with Fly by 11 application. Now you have to click on Mount and Run ISO. Just go to the download section. Now select the file, ISO file, and click on Open. Now you will see the message that Windows 11 is starting up and is preparing for the install. Now you have to do the normal process with the installation of Windows 11, and you can easily install the Windows 11 in your unsupported hardware. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.